Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Charge your headphones and put them into pairing mode so they broadcast. On your phone, open Settings and turn Bluetooth on, then stay on that Bluetooth screen to watch devices appear. Make sure to keep the headphones within 3 meters, about 10 feet, and pause other audio sources. This reduces interference and speeds discovery. Once done, you should see the headphone name populate. Make sure to recognize the exact model label before selecting it so you pair the right device. You now tap the headphone name in the phone's Bluetooth list to start pairing. This triggers a secure handshake between devices. If the phone asks for a PIN or passkey, enter the code shown or try 0000 or 1234. These are often default. Make sure to accept permission prompts for audio, media, and calls so sound routes correctly and the microphone works. Once paired, your device will usually display connected status. If not, toggle Bluetooth off and on to force reconnection and confirm. You finish by testing audio. Play a track or make a test call and adjust volume on both the phone and headphones until levels match. If sound doesn't route, open your phone's sound output options and select the headphones as the default. Make sure apps aren't muted. If problems persist, restart both devices, forget the headphone from Bluetooth, then repair. This clears stale profiles. Also check headphone firmware updates. Updating can resolve compatibility bugs. One key tip: restarting often fixes most unexplained connection failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.